Once again to our channel Invest in Bharat Stocks. Today we are going to discuss about a company which is very big company in the paper segment. This is one of the largest wood-based paper companies in India. This is leader in branded copier paper segment and high-end packaging board segment, which is used for packaging purpose. Consisting profit growth over last 5 years and good dividend yield, and trading at 0.66 times book value. This is very important point. The stock is trading at a value lower than its intrinsic value. Welcome once again. Now if you are not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you will get notification as soon as we upload a video, and you will not miss a good opportunity of investing in the stocks. Now our principle is to save the capital and increase profits. This is our educational series. We are discussing our views on different stocks which are good, and in coming years they can give us good returns. This is fifth stock. Now about this company. This company has 229 trade partners, 4,000 plus dealers, 18 depots and 4 regional marketing offices. And this company exports products to around 62 countries. This includes the United States, the UK, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Singapore, Africa and Middle East. And the company, together with its subsidiary, they have acquired the Sirpur Paper Mills Limited, another company, so that the capacity of the company is increased. They are also modernizing this new company so that this will give more output. Now second thing is that the company has entered VFB, Virgin Fiber Boards. This is new series, new area which is expanding with 12% annual growth. If the company gets its capacity increased, it will be the second largest producer of VFB, Virgin Fiber Boards, in the company. So the company has entered in a niche market and the company will grow with the new area. Now financial achievements. The company has recorded best ever performance with gross sales of 3469.19 crores, that is 13% up, and the profit after tax of 432.2 crores, that is 68% up, and sales volume is also increased. Profit has increased more than the sales. It means that the company has cut down some unwanted costs, and because of that they have achieved this. This is a very good thing related to company. Now growth opportunity. Now government has banned plastic bags, so most of the sellers, they require all paper bags. E-commerce is increasing in the India or all over the world, and because of that, for packaging purpose they require packaging paper. Third important thing is that literacy level is increasing slowly. This requires writing paper. So the demand of all these things is increasing. This is related to all paper industry. So there is a good growth chance, opportunity for the paper industry. Now if you see the company structure, the promoters have 48.99% of stake. The banks and financial institutions 7.76%. Others and general public 43.36%. Price on the record date, that was 22nd of May, it was 88.05. 52 weeks high and low it is 151.95 and 62.2. Number of shares are 178 million. This is very good thing that if you want to take a big stake, you can have number of shares you can purchase. The face value is 10 rupees and the dividend is 1 rupee, means they have given 10% dividend. Now free float is 51.11%, so there is liquidity and you can take a big position. Market capitalization is 76.7 crores. This company is not yet big, it is in the growth phase. So you can have good opportunity of growth. PE ratio, price to earning, is 3.39. Price to book value is 0.66. This is very good thing that the stock is trading at a value lower than its intrinsic value. And debt to equity is 0.53, means the company has reduced its debt. So the company which has low debt, it is good in this type of situations like coronavirus crisis. Now you see the net sales in financial year 2015, the net sales was 2160 crores and it became 3257 crores in financial year 19. Slowly it increased, 2160, then 2437, 2629, 2844 and 3257. Slowly it is increasing. Sales growth, you can see that 24.28%, then 12.82%, 7.87%, 8.17% and again 14.52%. In between the sales growth was not more than 10%, not two digit, but still they have managed to maintain the profit. Operating profit is 259, then 396 crore, then 517 crores, 618 crores and 868 crores. So this is good thing that they have maintained the profit and now again the growth is increasing. The net profit has also increased. Initially it was negative in 2015, minus 18, but after that it became 56, 172, 261 and in financial year 2019 it became 427 crores. Now if you see balance sheet, total assets are increasing slowly. Before it was 3328 crores, then they increased to 4522 crores slowly, then it become 3328, 3478, 3596 and 3608 and it become 4522. From this we can see that the company is slowly increasing its sales. The profit margin is also good. Net profit is increasing. You can see the operating profit is increasing slowly. See at the top up, you can see that operating profit margin initially it was 12%, then it became 16%, 20%, 22%, 27%. Means the efficiency is increasing. The company is increasing the techniques to reduce the cost using the techniques. So because of that the operating profit margin is also increasing. So all these good things, from this we can conclude that the company can become a good star in coming days. So because of the rise of the paper products, rise of e-commerce and the ban on plastic bags has given a opportunity for this industry to grow, and the company with its good management views, vision and strong background, they are able to work in this field, in this direction, and they can give us a good growth for our capital. Now we'll discuss the company details. The name of the company is JK Paper Limited. It is from one of the most reputed and respectable group of JK Group. This group is operative in tires, steel and so many areas. Its BSE symbol is 532162, NSE symbol JK Paper. So this is the company we are talking about. Now we'll see the performance of the company as compared to BSE as well as other market players in paper segment. Now here the BSE is shown by the black color and JK paper by blue color, and the third is the other large paper players. Here you can see that JK paper has always outperformed the other players in the market. Its performance of JK paper stock is good as compared to other players, and initially it has outperformed the at one phase they have outperformed the BSE Sensex, but after that it had underperformed as the other stocks also underperformed the BSE. This has also underperformed, but this has outperformed the other players. So this stock has good strength as compared to other stocks in the paper segment. Now this was our opinion, our study. If you want to take any position, you have to do your own homework, find the information, discuss with your investment advisors, and after that only you can take any position in the stock. The advantage of the stock is that it is trading at low value than its book value, good growth opportunity, and it is from a good group which has consistent track record. Share this video with your friends who are interested in the share market, with your relatives, and take care. We'll meet once again in our new video. If you have not subscribed yet, just once again subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification as we upload any video. Thank you.